Dear students, let us discuss about nutrition in organisms today. Life processes. The processes that perform the maintenance of the body in order to continue living and prevent damage and breakdown are called life processes. Molecular movements. The molecular movements are the invisible movements that occur inside the living cells due to chemical reactions. These movements over a period of time result in visible movements like growth. Molecular movements drive the life processes at cellular level. Nutrients and nutrition. Nutrients. The substances which give energy and help in the growth of the organism are called nutrients. Example: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and minerals. Nutrition. The process of intake or synthesis of nutrients by an organism and their utilization is known as nutrition. Modes of nutrition. Holozoic mode of nutrition is taking in the whole material and breaking down inside the body. Examples: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Saprophytic mode of nutrition is obtaining nutrition by breaking down the dead organic matter outside the body and then absorbing it. Examples: fungi like bread molds, yeast, and mushrooms. Parasitic mode of nutrition is obtaining nutrition from the living host organisms. Examples: cuscuta, orchids, ticks, lice, leeches, and tapeworms. Difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutritions. Autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition by which organisms prepare their food from simple substances such as carbon dioxide, water, and minerals. Autotrophs are green plants and green bacteria. Heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition by which organisms obtain their food from plants or animals. Heterotrophs are all animals, fungi, and heterotrophic bacteria. Materials required for photosynthesis. Raw materials. The two raw materials required for photosynthesis are water and carbon dioxide. Plants absorb water from the soil through roots. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through stomata by diffusion. Source of energy. Sunlight is a source of energy for carrying out photosynthesis. Leaf. Leaf acts as a factory. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts as a catalyst, traps the sunlight, and converts the light energy into chemical energy in the form of ATP. Chloroplast. Chloroplast perform the reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, the glucose. Photosynthesis. The process by which carbohydrates are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water by the chloroplast in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water produces 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of water, and 6 molecules of oxygen. The 3 basic steps involved in photosynthesis absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. During photosynthesis, glucose is produced. Glucose gets converted to sucrose and transported to all parts of the plant in the form of sucrose. Sucrose gets converted to starch and stored in the plants in the form of starch. The reserve food material in plants is starch. The reserve food material in animals is glycogen. The reserve food is used only when it is required by the organisms. Mechanism of stomatal opening and closing. The tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves are called stomata. The stomata are surrounded by a pair of bean-shaped epidermal cells called guard cells. The inner walls of the guard cells are thicker than the outer walls. Guard cells swell up when water enters them, causing the stomatal pore to open. Stomatal pore closes when water leaves the guard cells. Exchange of gases through stomata. Massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through stomata during photosynthesis. Since a large amount of water is also lost through stomata, the plants close their stomata when they do not require carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. In order to avoid loss of water, desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate compound which is used by the chlorophyll during the day. Exchange of gases also occurs through the surface of stems and roots. Nutrition in Paramoecium. In Paramoecium, food is taken at a specific spot known as mouth cavity. Food is moved towards the mouth cavity by the movement of cilia, which is present all over the body. Nutrition in Amoeba. Amoeba takes in food using finger-like structures called pseudopodia, which fuse over the food particles, forming a food vacuole. Complex substances are broken down inside the food vacuole into simpler substances which then diffuse into the cytoplasm. The undigested food material is moved to the surface of the cell and thrown out. I hope you had a joyful learning and enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. God bless you.